How to fix aliens. Fireteam Elite keeps crashing on Windows PC. 1. Install the latest DXX files and Visual C++ files. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Verify and repair the game files in Steam. 4. Install the latest game patch. 5. Disable Steam overlay. 6. Disable real-time protection from your antivirus software. 7. Run the system file checker as admin. 8. Stop overclocking. 9. Perform a clean boot.